Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the essentials. Install Panda Bgmi and grant any required permissions so the app can access storage and input. Once done, enable USB debugging or the app's equivalent permission if prompted. This allows file transfer and controller mapping. Make sure the Bgmi APK and OBB are already downloaded to your device and you have at least 1 GB free. Now open Panda Bgmi and tap Install to begin transferring files. This kicks off the automated setup process. Once the installer finishes, go straight to Panda's settings to configure resolution and FPS to match your device. Choose 60 FPS or 30 FPS depending on stability. Next, open input mapping to assign touch controls or connect a controller. Map shoot, aim, and movement to keys that feel natural. Adjust graphics preset to balanced or smooth for better performance, and enable performance mode if you see stutters. This lowers visual load while keeping gameplay responsive. Save settings and exit to apply them. Now launch Bgmi through Panda and sign into your account. Verify your profile and permissions so stats sync correctly. Before jumping into matches, enter training mode to confirm controls, sensitivity, and frame stability. Tweak sensitivity in small increments until aiming feels consistent. If the game crashes or assets fail to load, clear Panda's cache, reapply the OBB using the installer, and restart the app. Reinstall only if issues persist. One good troubleshooting tip: always check storage space and permission prompts after updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.